Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove this area. It's very easy. You just slide it almost 6 inch before all the way, slide it here, then slowly tilt this one, then push it, and once you pushed it, just lift it a little bit and it's out. Once it's out, you can get the access to there and do whatever you need to be done. And if you want to put it back, do the same thing in reverse. Then I'm gonna do, you're just gonna bring it close to each other. First put one side, then easily, slowly slide it further down. Make sure the other one is even. I'm doing it with one hand, so okay, it's done. That's it. That's how you remove it to get access to underneath of this area. Thank you.